Hey there, my stamping friends. Susan here with Pumpkin Hill Stampers. We have sketch number 78 today. We're going to be creating with the Earthen Elegance DSP. I've paired it with Moody Mauve and Basic White. Our panel is going to be cut down to two pieces, 4.5 by 4 and 1.5 by 4. Now, we're going to stamp our large Enduring Beauty flowers on a piece of Basic White with Moody Mauve, and then I'm going to stamp my sentiment on a smaller piece and trim it out with my paper snip so I have this nice curvy sentiment to use on my project. So here are the parts and pieces we're going to use for the project. I've added a piece of baker's twine tied into a bow, and you can get all the details on my mini tutorial subscription. The link is in the details below. Now to start the project, we're going to fold the card in half and give it a good score with our bone folder. Then we're going to use a liquid adhesive and add the two panels of DSP. First I put on the large panel, and then I put the smaller one across it, kind of like a belly band, but just on the front of the card. Now we could add the whole panel of stamped flowers here, but I've decided I want to trim mine out so more of that background paper shows. So I used my paper snips to trim it out, then I added it with dimensionals, and then I popped on the sentiment as well, and then the little bow got added with a mini glue dot. Now to finish this off with a little sparkle, I used in-color dots in the Moody Mauve to match and put them right in the center of my flowers. So there we have it, our simple project for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Not just that the new stamp set Enduring Beauty is featured, but it really showcases the DSP. So if you could leave me a comment, let me know you're here, let me know what you think. And then don't forget, you can subscribe to my channel. You can support me by shopping with me at stampinup.com. Just like me as your demo, please. And if you have any questions, reach out to me. I can be found at www.pumpkinhillstampers.com or email me at susan@pumpkinhillstampers.com. All right, have a great day and do some fun stamping.